Y'all, I haven't had a sweet tooth in a minute, and when it hit me, I knew I was gonna have to make some cake. Cake is my ultimate weakness, and I wanted to make some lemon poppy seed cake, so here's how I made it. Grab a large bowl and whisk together some eggs, melted coconut oil, and some powdered sweetener until it is smooth and glossy. Add in a tiny amount of unsweetened applesauce, make sure it is unsweetened, obviously, and a little bit of lemon extract and vanilla extract. Then add in some baking powder, some salt, some protein powder. This is actually vanilla flavored with collagen added to it, your almond flour, and a little bit of water. Mix until thoroughly combined, and then we're going to add some fresh lemon zest and those poppy seeds and fold that together. Also, I do want to add, if you're not used to working with almond flour, it is going to be a thicker cake batter. It's definitely not going to be runny like those box cakes, so don't worry about that. If she's thick, you're doing it right. I've got a well-greased square baking dish that I'm going to bake my cake in. I'm going to smooth it out real quick before I pop it in the oven. And y'all, we're going to make a quick little glaze because it is going to bring this cake over the top. In a small bowl, I'm just adding some powdered sweetener, some fresh lemon zest, and some fresh lemon juice, and that is all you need. And to answer your question, no, a tiny animal did not American Pie my cake. It was the toothpick hole, okay? Okay. Now you just glaze that bad boy up and slice it into whatever size you want. I'm making them smaller so they last longer, but we'll see.